Hi guys, so Saturday 15th of February, KDKustoms Metal Matsuri, 10:30 to 3:30 live track action on Driftland, 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock we are on the stock car oval. This has not been done in so many years. Why are you not here?
This is your time, forget all your weekdays. Tonight we're gonna party like rock stars and DJs. Tomorrow when you wake up you can stories to tell. And it still sounds like decibel. I got love for the music, let my audio excel. Time to be different, make the audience rebel. Down with the sound and the people will all yell. Power is measured in decibel. The people will all yell. Power is measured in decibel.
To anyone wearing headphones, I'm sorry.
Down with the sound and the people will all yell. Power is measured in decibel.
So we also have some superstar international drivers making an appearance. The infamous Kevin Quinn is reappearing again. We also have probably the furthest travelled driver we've had in many years, Mr. Stewie Bryant, all the way from Australia, is coming back. And basically the party is going to go on until the night. Unlike last time, we are going to continue the party once we finish at the Oval in Dunfermline, so everyone's welcome to come and join us at, I believe it's Lorenzo's we're going to. If you like to pump along, it's £15 for a spectator for the day, because let's face it guys, it's all day and all night action. I think £15 very reasonable considering the level of drivers. Basically, I would like you to like, share and subscribe this video. We'll give you a chance to put some comments in the comment box or in the YouTube channel. From there we will pick someone at random to receive a Driftland goodie bag. And remember guys, please like, share and subscribe, and we shall get you a goodie bag. Thanks guys.